How to fix Facebook login problem on PC. So if you want to fix Facebook login problem on your PC, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and then go and search for Facebook. Once you've searched for Facebook, you need to just simply go with the login page and simply make sure that you have the correct username, email, and password. Also, if you have two-step verification, make sure the code is correct. If it still doesn't fix your problem, then open a new tab and then search for Facebook again. Then try logging in from there. If you're still having trouble, then you can check your Wi-Fi connection. Click on your Wi-Fi icon, which will be in the bottom, and make sure that your Wi-Fi connection is stable. If it does not work, you can switch to a mobile hotspot as well. Also, you can go with your settings and make sure that your Windows is updated as required. So search for settings and then go with your Windows updates. And if you have any updates on your Windows, you need to just simply go and update it and your problem might be fixed. And this is how you can fix your Facebook login problem on your PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.